In this video, we're going to install a Silversport Transmission's TR4050 remote shifter onto this transmission. The remote shifter will offset the original placement by 5 1/4 inches. First thing first, place the shifter in 3rd or 4th gear. There's 4th. Now we can remove the 4 bolts attaching the stock shifter to the transmission. The bolts are out. Now we can remove the stock shifter. First thing first, you want to run a bead of RTV around the shifter mounting gasket, and then you're ready to install the new offset shifter. Simply line up the stud with its groove right there. Do some alignment until the holes line up. Then you can go ahead and install the hardware. Now we have the offset shifter installed on the Tremec TR4050 with the 4 mounting bolts torqued to 11 foot-pounds. We are ready to install the Silversport Transmission's 10-inch layback shifter rod with their classic 5-speed ball. There we have it. Offset shifter installed on the Tremec TR4050. Once again, shift the old shifter into 3rd or 4th gear. Remove the old shifter. Place RTV where the new shifter is going to mount. Torque the bolts to 11 foot-pounds, and you're done.